Welcome back here to another episode of Mathematical Literacy May-June exams 2024, Senior Certificate Examinations, National Senior Certificate Examinations. All right, Mathematical Literacy, it's paper 2, June-May 2024. All right, these are the instructions. And here we go, question number 1. Question number 1, we look at a table, which is table 1 below shows a list of explanations and definitions in column B, and mathematical terms and concepts in column A. So now we're going to match. When the moment you see a table like this, we're going to match and we find out which one's the right answer to each section that we're looking at. All right, we look at question number 1 of paper 2. It's a matching session. All right, here we go. 1.1.1, we have terms as circumference. We have a term 1.1.2 probability, 1.1.3 1 hour, 1.1.4 temperature. Then among the explanations, we're going to be matching one by one. Time measurement equivalent to 600 seconds. Write it down, 600 seconds. These are approximately 10 minutes. We have nothing to do with 10 minutes among the definition. So this is gone. The measuring of hotness and coldness. Yes, B. This is temperature. So as you're answering, you're supposed to write 1.1, 1.1.2, 1.1.3, 1.1.4. So 1.1.4, it's B. There we go. An equivalent to the mass of a person divided by the height squared. Mass divided by height squared. This is the same as what? BMI. And we look at the scenario. This is not there, so this is gone. Oh man, wait, we didn't even look at CC. The line from one end of the circle to the other end of the circle, this is known as the diameter, the line that crosses through. It's not also there. B is already seen. So C, D, they're not that. We are choosing which one will be appropriate for the answers. All right. The boundary that surrounds a circular shape, the boundary, this is the same as circumference. Circumference, it's there. That means our 1.1, it's E. E is there. The time measured equivalent to 3,600 seconds. 3,600 seconds. Indeed, this is true. This is an hour. So 1.1.3, it's 1 hour, which is F, because we got it from an hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. So we get this much. All right. The likelihood that something happens, yes, this is probability. And indeed, it's there. So the answers are done. That's probability. The number showing the relationship, this would be the scale. But we don't have any scale there. All right, that's it. We got question number 1.2. 1.2. It says, the three sketches below represent the same portion of the physical world which is drawn using three different scales, A, B, and C, in a random manner. So here we go. The following scales in brackets in random order were used to draw these sketches. The first scale A, 1 is to 100,000. Scale B, 1 is to 25,000. Scale C is 1 is to 50,000. Use the information and the sketches above to answer the questions that follow. Name the type of skulls. Name the type of skull, or name the type of skulls used to draw the sketches above. So these ones, we call them the number. We call them the number scale. Some other people will call them ratio, the ratio scale. Please, there's nothing like a map scale. All right. So they're telling us, interpret the scale 1:50,000. 50,000. They want you to give the meaning. So here we shall say 1 unit. 1 unit is equivalent. 1 unit is equal to 50,000 units in real life. In real life. So here they're asking us 1.2.3, write down the scale that was used for sketch B. So we shall take the smallest, because the smaller the scale, the bigger the image. When you look at it critically, here it shows C. That means this scale here, it has been enlarged. This part here, C. You know, this part. So this is the smallest. This was scale B. This is A, and definitely this is the C. So scale B was used here. Scale B. We got question number 1.3. The picture below shows the information boards, brackets, a traffic sign, and a distance information. And the vehicles heading in the southern direction. The numbers displayed next to the names of towns on the information board show the distance in kilometers from the information board to that town. The picture below, the picture of the information board and the vehicle heading southern is shown. These vehicles are going southerly, and the picture is showing the distance to the north. All right. Give the shapes of the information board. Here we are saying the name of the shape is a rectangle. It's a rectangle. The name of the information board is a rectangle. Give the shapes and the information board and of the information board. You can also say we have what? This is why I'm saying under circle, because they said the picture below shows the information boards, and the information boards are traffic sign and the distance information. Then we have the distance information in this one here. Then the traffic sign in this one here for the speed limit. All right, we count this and say. Write down the distance. Okay. They're saying write down the distance a motorist must still travel in the northerly direction to reach Bloemfontein. Yeah, it will be 144. 144 kilometers. We look at the other one, which is 1.3.3. The 120 on the traffic sign board indicates 120 kilometers per second. Interpret the 120 kilometers per second in this context. Is the speed the speed limit on N1. The speed limit on N1. Determine the distance from Tromsø to Johannesburg. So now, this means they are here in this town here. They need to come to this other town here. We shall need to subtract, which is 500 it's 534 minus 27. And the answer became 507. Say the general direction of Tromsø from the information board. From the information board. It's in the north. In the northern direction. Okay. The length of one side of the sideboard is 90 centimeters, and they want you to convert to centimeters. Remember, we have kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. In between here we have 1,000. Here we have 1,000. We have 100, and we have 10. So small to big, we need to divide. So we are coming from centimeters to meters. That means we need to divide. So we shall divide the 90 centimeters divided by 100. You get your answer 0, these are meters. And this marks the question. End of question number 1.